Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F so it's ready when you assemble. While it heats, open 1 can of Pillsbury Crescent rolls and separate the dough into 8 triangles. This saves time and keeps dough chilled but pliable. Spoon about 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of Nutella on the wide end of each triangle, less for subtle flavor, more for a gooey center. Once done, gently stretch each triangle a little to avoid overfilling later and get consistent roll size. Now you assemble with intent. Place your measured Nutella cleanly near the wide end, leaving a 1/4-inch border so the filling won't leak. Fold the 2 short sides toward the center and pinch gently, then roll from the wide end to the point, applying even pressure so the seam sits underneath. This helps the croissant hold its shape. Once rolled, curve each into a crescent if you like the classic look, and brush with egg wash or milk to brown evenly during baking. Bake your croissants 12 to 15 minutes until they're puffed and golden. Make sure to rotate the baking sheet halfway so they brown evenly. Once they come out, let them rest on the pan 2 to 3 minutes so the filling sets, then transfer to a rack to finish cooling. This keeps bottoms from steaming and becoming soggy. If any Nutella leaks, brush off and reheat briefly. If they're pale after 15 minutes, add 2 to 3 more minutes until color and flakiness match what you want.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.